The small team that I've gathered, many of them are former students of mine. Some of them have been colleagues that I've been working with in the book industry for a long time. We want Convergent Media to be a force in the world for good. We want it to be entertaining. We want it to be attractive. We want people to say, this is really cool. You need to see this. We want to promote creativity and elements of entertainment in most of what we do. But here's one thing we do not want to do. I understand that the AI revolution has swept over the world. I understand the kinds of things that it can do and probably will be able to do. We don't want to use AI in the creative aspects of what we do. When we film things, we want to use real people. We don't want to use facsimiles of them. Our commitment is to make this convergent media industry that we want to build human-centered, people-centered, for humans. One little sidetrack. I'm working with an author right now who really likes to use AI and chat to organize thoughts. It's not bad for that, but I can tell you that every single time I have seen someone do that, it sounds like a machine. We don't want to sound like a machine. We don't want to look like a machine. We want to use real humans to create something for humans. That's our commitment.